My name is Einat Manoff, and I am a doctoral student in the Environmental Psychology program. And my background is in architecture and urban design and urban planning. I'm also Jewish-Israeli and have been working on political activism in Israel-Palestine, envisioning different ways in which to bring about the one state for both Israelis and Palestinians. This political activism, my side of it, is thinking about how to imagine what the right of refugee return would look like from the environmental point of view. We've been doing a lot of work with an NGO called Zechrot in Israel, which consists of Jewish Israelis and Palestinian refugees, and working on projects of imagining the right of return, what it would look like, what is the manifestation, what would be the urban dynamics, what would we have to do as far as policy and change in housing and networking in order to bring it about. Last summer we held a workshop called countermapping. And countermapping is a kind of exploratory methodology in the social sciences and geography that has to do with critical reading of maps as sort of documents of occupation and colonialization, and then interfering with the maps in order to do action, some kind of political action. In our case, we took the maps of the Israeli state and started interfering with them to imagine what would be a return to a village which was erased from the map. And so we took the historical maps of this village, and first of all we relocated the village, and then the Palestinian refugees used their environmental biographies and traced their ways of being in the village and then of being uprooted from the village. So it was a very kind of loaded first day of the workshop. And then we made maps in 3 languages, Hebrew, English, and Arabic, of what would the right of return look like. And it consists of an ecological perspective, an institutional perspective, and housing. I'm working with a group of 20 political activists. Each one has their own action in mind. So some person will take it for their art gallery, and the other activist will take it for policy making. And the third would make it for resistance and rallying and gathering people together. And so it's a collaborative, participatory research in every aspect of it. The goal is to have a website called Counter Mapping Return. The website will be in Arabic, Hebrew, and English, and will be open to all the Palestinian refugees in the diaspora. And hopefully they can all look at the website and imagine return with us and comment, criticize, change. And I hope to have a drawing component in which they can either draw and scan or draw online in real time. We'll see how that goes. This is the scans. It's not yet digitalized in a way that it's working in real time, but just to show you how different it is when it's on a computer scan, and you can zoom into different things and get the different languages. And I want all the text to be editable. This is the map legend. I'm translating it, and I want it to be open to endless editing, and so track changes will be on this website, and everyone could see everyone else's edits. So it's going to be a working document forever.